In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a conversion in Fresha. Let's dive right in and get everything set up smoothly. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Fresha's website. Just type in the URL in the address bar and press enter. The familiar Fresha homepage will welcome you. From here, you'll need to log in using your credentials. It's important to ensure that you've entered the correct details to avoid any access issues, which could slow us down. Now that you're logged into your account and you have the dashboard in front of you, head over to your calendar. This is your main hub where all scheduled appointments are displayed. We'll start by adding a new sale. Just look for the Add button on your calendar interface and click on it. This is the gateway to creating a new sale and a crucial step in recording your conversion. If you're starting from a completed appointment, you're in luck. The client details and services related to that appointment are automatically added to your cart. This makes things super efficient and convenient since you don't have to manually input everything from scratch. It's all right there, waiting for you. In the cart, you might find a need to add additional services, products, memberships, or even gift cards. Fresha makes this easy with a search function. Type in the items you're looking for, and you'll be able to add them right then and there. It's quite flexible, allowing you to capture all types of transactions in one go. For those of you dealing with products, using a barcode scanner can really speed things up. Just scan the product barcodes, and they'll be instantly added to your cart. This minimizes errors and automates the process, especially handy for busy days. Once you've ensured that all the desired items are neatly tucked into your cart, it's time to proceed by clicking Continue to Payment. This will lead you to the Payment Options page. Here, you can choose your preferred method for completing the transaction. If you've enabled Fresha's payment processing, you might notice several convenient options, like the ability to use the client's saved card, which can drastically streamline the process. Now go ahead and complete the payment by following the on-screen instructions. It's user-friendly and guides you through each step. Once the payment is processed, you've successfully recorded your conversion in Fresha. This not only keeps your records up to date, but also reinforces your business's revenue stream efficiently. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has made recording conversions in Fresha both straightforward and manageable for you. Remember, practice makes perfect, so the more you interact with these features, the easier they'll become to use effectively.